Welcome, 8th grade. Today we will be working on what we call our virtual grade level project. For 8th grade, that means it is a wanted poster. So you're going to come into the green folder, click on it. You've watched the video in the green folder explaining what to do, not this video. So you've already clicked on that. You're going to have this student copy of the project. So just like the About Me project, you'll click on that copy of the project for yourself. And that will open up, once you hit the edit button, a project that looks like this. It'll be 3 slides long. Slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. So we're going to go through what you need to fill in. So what this project is a creative sort of art and virtual writing assignment, just to get your creativity and design spirits flowing, I guess. You are going to come up with a fun, happy crime that you've committed. In the past, I've seen things like drinking all the Frappuccinos at Starbucks, wanting too many chicken nuggets at Chick-fil-A, winning too many battles in Fortnite, getting too many good grades, getting too many baskets at the basketball game, being a star athlete. So something happy. Do not make your crime something deadly or something violent. That kind of ends up with us at the guidance counselor. So they need to be silly, happy crimes, okay? Playing too many instruments in the band. And you're going to type that in this box here. Okay? So you'll type that there. We're going to come back to what goes in this text box in a little bit. We're going to move on to some of the easier stuff first. So the red text boxes on this page are pretty easy. You're filling in name, height, grade, age, color of hair, birth date, where you hang out, who your friends are, what you participate in, places you like to eat, movies, sibling, a parent, teacher, a relative. So it's your choice how you create what you put in the boxes. I'm going to first create a text box with text box on the right-hand side in my toolbar. I'm going to put my family name here. This is the last name that I use. And if you have multiple last names, you can put them there. Okay. I'm going to size it. I can change the size of the text. I can change the color of the text, okay, to what I want. I can move the text to fit in the box like I'm supposed to. Okay, so there's my last name. Okay, and we said space 1 is to represent someone who is special to us or that we care about, etc. So hold on, let me delete. I'm going to delete this because I have an example already done. Trash. Okay, you can throw that away. So create a text box, do that. And in order to insert, if you want to insert a picture, you come down to this insert media. You can go from your drive. You can upload from files. You can Google image search. There's some emoji stickers and stuff. Probably going to use your computer or your drive. But you could also, if you use your computer, insert a file. So if I go to like Google Draw or like a pixel website and I could draw something like your Canvas, some of the apps you use, if you download a picture and save your file, you can upload a drawing. You can draw live in Cami using the drawing button. So anything to represent somebody who is special to you. So in my example, in that box, I put a picture of my kids. I drew some lines around them, hearts, to fill in that spot and make it colorful because something on the rubric is making my project colorful. So I kind of made it exciting. I could put all different stickers or something in there to decorate it, my choice. And then I'm going to go up and look at what Station 2 wants. Create, draw, insert something that represents a hobby you have. So again, I can use Google Draw. I can use Canvas and create something. I can draw right here in Cami. I can insert a picture or several pictures of things I like to do. I just was trying to create a drawing for something different. So I drew the YouTube symbol. I have 141 subscribers right now. So it's kind of a hobby that I upload Steam videos, etc. So that's kind of the process you're going to use to create the different squares. You're going to use the instructions up here and you are going to insert, create, draw, sketch, different things to go with those items in here. Try to do a variety where you draw some, you color some, make it colorful, make it exciting, make things look varied, to give it personality. I don't want to just see tons of clip art. I want you to use and show your personality in the different squares with different draw lanes. You can insert, you can make your own little avatar. There's a site I use, Pixton, where you can make your own character like we did last year virtually. For instance, I can take my little Bitmoji type character and put her in there on this site, and things like that. Okay, so be creative as you fill that in. The last part of it is creating a paragraph explaining what you put into those squares and why. So I wrote it out. You can read it. In box 1, I put a picture of my children because they are very special to me. Tucker, Wyatt, and Daphne are who I love the most. So you're just explaining who and what you put in the box. In box 2, I put a drawing of YouTube because a hobby I have is making lessons for STEAM on my YouTube. So you're using that strategy where I restate what the question was. So I'm using the topic in my sentence, and I'm writing a sentence also to explain what I put there. I should have at least, it'll be probably 10 sentences 12 sentences, one sentence saying what I put in the box, one sentence for why I put it in that box. So 2 sentences for box, 12 sentences, the what and the why you put on your project. And you use text box to create that text box on that page. Once I have all of that stuff, you're going to click on this blue bar. There is a button that says turn in. So if I come to my copy here, only when you're finished, do not, even if it tells you it's not saving it, it does save it. Only click turn in when you are finished. Okay. And this assignment is due on, when I want to put my name on my rubric too, I'll come in here and put my name, or I'll type it with the text, period 3. Okay. But I can also type that in there too. And then I'll turn it in on the blue bar. Once I'm all finished, okay, I can go ahead and turn it in, and then I can work on my coding assignment if I'm done. It is not due till Friday, this project, so you do have time.